Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you backed up your PS5 onto a USB drive and you want to go ahead and restore it because you lost all your data somehow. How do you actually go ahead and restore it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says Settings, scroll down to where it says System, then click on System Software, and then click on Backup and Restore. Now, this is the really important step, guys. If you go into this button that says Restore your PS5, this is going to restore your PS5 using backup data on a USB drive. Now, that USB drive, that's going to be plugged into your PS5 right over here. Okay, so make sure you plug in your USB drive and then go ahead and click on this button that says restore your PS5. Now, it's going to take some time to actually go ahead and restore your PS5, but there you have it. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and restore your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.